Welcome to another day, another vlog. So, today it is 7 o'clock now, and we are about to leave towards Dharamshala. So, there is no mist or something here, but yeah, like yesterday, except there is no sunlight here. So, I don't think I have to show anything for you here. So we will be leaving now. Our baggage and everything has been set and already kept on in the car, on the luggage carrier up, and we are just doing the last checkup of our room to just see if we have left anything behind, and we haven't. So we will be moving. So meet you in the car now. So guys, now we had stayed in this. You can see Hotel S1. It's good, and this is all are like these only, like the hotels here are having their ground floor in the ground level, and there will be nothing above like what we have in other cities. As these are all mountain areas, they'll actually build it downwards. So there is -1, -2, -3, -4, which is below the ground level. So this is the ground floor now. So into our car and off we depart from Dalhousie. Yo guys, yeah. So we have stopped here for breakfast, and it's 7, almost 8, you can say. And let me show you something special. And so we stopped here. The temperature is around 13 to 14 and I am in this sort of clothes. I don't know it's really 13 or 14, but yeah, it's cold. My hands are getting numb. The car's temperature sensor, which shows the outside temperature, was showing us 13, 14, 13, 14, and it rained yesterday a bit, and even McLeodganj and Dalhousie also, it was showing weather forecast with light showers today. The special thing is, watch this, fresh 24 hours running mountain water, filled with minerals, not too cold, a bit warm. You can see there also, it's coming. There also, it's water is flowing. They have just connected a pipe which comes from there, and it will come here. And these guys, this is just a small service station where people, the drivers, truck drivers and all, can wash their car. You can see here also water is coming. All are fresh mountain water. So let me meet you after breakfast.
If he could ride the way you do, I'd take him back to my place. I know none of he could act more like a fool. I'd take him back to my bed. I know I let him lead me, and he will love it. No losers in this game.
So we just stopped for a quick drink. We just planned to have some sugarcane juice. So we came here to drink, stopped here to drink some sugarcane juice. Mom's admiring the flowers out here. Yes, the guy is coming. Let me just show you the sugarcane machine here. That's not like the ones we have in our area. As you can see, there are 3 rollers aligned vertically and 2 rollers aligned horizontally in our area. You can see there is some chaat masalas and pudina there. You can see here there are 3 rollers aligned vertically, and they put the sugarcane like this, and the juice comes. This ensures more crushing compared to our area ones. So yo guys, we came to this place, Dal Lake in Himachal Pradesh. This is in Dharamshala. Nothing so special, but still we just had a break here. Just there was one two temple here. We just visited that and came here on a stop. And mom and dad just 1-2 pictures. Compared to Srinagar's Dal Lake, this is nothing. But still, we just saw for 1-2 photos. That's it. You can see this is the lake. Srinagar's Dal Lake is way better than this. Do visit it once. So we came to this place named as Nadi now, and the view here is awesome. Like this is just a viewpoint, nothing so special, but the view is like ice-capped mountains, then the green mountains, some plants and trees and valleys, and Bhagswang waterfall is almost a kilometer and a half away, but the river of that seems very empty, so I don't think there will be any water there now. Let me just show you the view, guys. This is awesome.
You ran away, you doing that right won't be over. The only thing it takes is you to coming over. Coming over, coming over, coming over, coming over, coming
So guys, again the same situation. I was having my ice cream. Never mind. We came to Bhagsu waterfall, and here there is no water, guys. Literally, it's dead dry. You can see it's completely dry, guys. There is nothing. Minimum Panchkula was having more water than this. We have to take 2-4 liters of water and throw for waterfalls now. So we are going back, and I'm enjoying my ice cream. पानी है ही नहीं उसमें, खत्म है. So saying everyone the same thing. You have to walk for almost 600-700 meters up, stairs and climbing, inclines, but there is no water. Going there is of pure waste of energy and time.
Hold on, suggestion time.
I would insist you guys to come around June or July, because it is the rainy season here. That time there will be some water, and this year there was no snow, that's why there is no water, or else due to the snow there was minimum bit of water. So guys, we got a hotel, and we just checked in, and we are settling down now here in McLeodganj, Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh, and now we are almost done and settled. Let me just give you a quick room
Tour. So this is the entrance. There is a mirror here and a vanity. And this is the cupboard where there are some extra pillows and bed sheets in case you get cold. And there is a flask and some supplies to make tea and coffee at the room. And the chair. And this is the McLeodganj street view. The market is around 600 meters from here. And the bed, and there is the bed sheets also are very soft, and there is a AC cum heater also, and the walls and the was made of wood but not the flooring. This is the bathroom, a mirror, the sink, and a hand wash was given here. That was a good thing. The toilet and the shower, and there was a geyser.
So guys, we are ready to go to the market. Mask, very important. Yeah, here also police will fine travelers or tourists or anyone ever it is if they are going without a mask. So be careful, guys. Wherever you are going, just wear a mask and go till government changes their rules. After this, we'll come back to the room and I'll do with my editing stuffs. So guys, we just came roaming around the market, and we just came across this monastery. So we just paid a visit over here to this monastery, and we have to continue with this. So we have to continue, and we'll do some photography out here. As you can see, this is the market. That is a chalk, and this is water to turn and go. So then I'll start my editing stuff.
So that's it for today, guys. Let us meet on another day in another vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, and stay safe. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comment how my vlogs are. And even do comment how is this new experiment of meme faces are. So if it is nice, do comment. Thank you.